student, welcome here in this YouTube channel initiated by Gnan Manjari Modern School. As you all know that we have completed our SS syllabus. There are only 4 units in your first term exam. That is unit number 4, 13, 14 and unit number 8 or 9. So as our syllabus is completed, so we'll start that revision types of videos. Well, in this video I would like to teach you how to write question answers in SS subject. In SS we have importance of keywords, as I used to write those keywords during my video, during my teaching. So how to use those keywords in our answers, and how to highlight or how to underline those keywords for getting good marks, that will be taught in this video. So for that I have chosen unit number 14, that is India, location, geographical structure and physiography 2, which is there on 106. And from that unit I have chosen or I have selected one topic, that is soil. So if it is asked in exam, suppose it will be there in exam that write about soil. So how to write these answers for 4 marks or 3 marks? See, suppose this question is there. Write in detail about soil of India, and it is asked in 3 or 4 marks. So first of all, how to start this? In SS subject we have importance of, you have to keep this thing in your mind, keywords. After that, main points, focus on sub points, and not highlight but underline keywords. And lastly, presentation. So these are the steps you have to follow to get good marks, or to just impress that paper checker. First you must know about keywords. After that you have to know the main points of the topic. After that sub points if there are any. Underline the keywords, and lastly your handwriting, presentation. Presentation must be impressive or attractive. So suppose now this question is there, this write in detail about soil. So what to write first? Don't just go into the types of soil. Don't just do that. Before you start this question, you have to give introduction about soil. Means what is exactly soil is. So you can write 2 to 3 lines for that. So your answer should be like this. See, the soil is the basic resources for agriculture. This is our introductory part. It is a thin layer formed of the organic and inorganic matter on the surface of the earth. It is being considered as the apple with its skin. The thin layer on the crust of the earth is thin layer on the crust of the earth is called soil. So this is introductory part. Soil is related to surface of the earth as it has apple with its skin. Okay, so now this is introductory part, and now we'll underline keywords from this. So the soil is the basic resource for agriculture. So these three words are our keywords: basic, resource, agriculture. Second sentence is, it is a thin layer formed of the organic and inorganic matter on the surface of the earth. So thin layer, organic and inorganic matter on the surface of the earth. So surface of the earth, this should be highlighted. It is being considered as the apple with its skin. So soil from earth is being considered. It means here soil from earth. So this soil from earth is being considered as the apple with its skin. So this should be underlined. And the thin layer on the crust of the earth is called soil. Thin layer of the earth is called soil. So this way you can impress paper checker by underlying keywords. So our first step has been completed here, and the first step is keywords. So see, this looks impressive, this looks attractive. So if you wish, you can note down this and now write a detailed note about the soil. So after this we'll go for soil formation. That is not needed. We'll go for types of the soil, okay? But this first paragraph is must in 3 to 4 marks question. You just take a look on this. Now second step is main point. And our main point for this question is, now second one is soils in India. So this is main point. After introduction, your point should be this: soils in India. So we have different types of soil. That is, we have 6 soil. So this could be written like this. Soils in India are classified in 6 types. So this is our first sentence of the soils in India, and we'll underline this 6 types. After that, write the name of those 6 types. That is alluvial soil, second is black soil, third red soil, fourth laterite soil, mountain soil, and number 6 is desert soil. So these are the 6 types. Now next step is sub points, means we'll have to discuss this point one by one. So first we'll go for alluvial soil. As it is in 4 marks, so this much detailed information is needed. Now what to write in alluvial soil? So first let me explain it. Alluvial soil can be divided into 2 parts, that is Khadar and Bangar. The soil formed due to the fresh alluvial deposit is known as Khadar soil. So this soil is divided into 2 parts. So that is the first point. You have to make point in SS subject. This soil is divided into 2 parts, that is Khadar and Bangar. So this way, this point wise you have to write. So what is Khadar soil? The soil formed due to the fresh alluvial deposit is known as Khadar, and as this soil is formed due to the river floods, it is found mostly near the river. So as you know student that this soil is formed, or this soil is made is not the right word. This soil is formed due to that river flood. So this kind of alluvial soil can be found at the riverside area. So after writing like this, you have to go for number 3. Number 3 is soil is formed due to the flood of river. So generally it is found at a river area. So see, First, introductory part. Secondly, this point soils in India. We have 6 types. You have written 6 types. After that, one by one, just explain these 6 types and explain like this, means point wise. Okay, if you wish, you can just note it down in your book. So generally, such a soil is sandy. So you can see the formation of this soil is just due to the flood of river. So the type or type of this soil we can see is such a sandy soil. You can see here. Soil containing old alluvial in the upper valley region of a river is called Bangar soil. So now we are moving to Bangar soil. So soil having old alluvial upper valley region, that is known as Bangar soil. It is sticky and has a dark color. So the quality of this Bangar soil is while see Khadar soil is sandy, while this Bangar soil is sticky and dark in color. Alluvial soil is seen in many parts of the country. Their fertility is also different at different places. You will not find the same fertility of this alluvial soil in different parts of the country, because see, this kind of soil, alluvial soil, can be seen in different parts of our country, and fertility is different at every place. It is found in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, etc. So this is our alluvial soil. Now how to complete this alluvial soil topic? So this you have noticed, soils in India and alluvial soil. 3 points we have already written in this alluvial soil, and we have 2 types in alluvial soil, that is Khadar and Bangar. Khadar is mostly sandy, and you can see this alluvial soil in different types in different places of India. Talking about alluvial, generally it is very fertile, and it is found in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, etc. So this way you can write this answer of this kind, and here we need to underline this Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. You have to highlight the keyword. So this is alluvial soil. Now second one is black soil. This soil is found mostly in Maharashtra, Western Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu. So these are the states where you can find this black soil. Black soil is the gift of peninsular plateau. This soil is very sticky and fertile. It can contain humidity for a prolonged time. So the speciality of this soil is it can contain humidity for a long time. Prolonged time means for a long time. It is formed from the metamorphic rocks and is very useful for cotton cultivation. So it can be asked in identify me that I am useful for cotton cultivation. So it is black soil. That is why it has become famous as black cotton soil. It is also known as Regur soil. So the second name of this black soil is Regur soil. So how to write this black soil in our paper. So second one is black soil. It can be asked individually. So black soil, the first we have the states. This is found in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, etc. This is the first point. Second is this is very sticky and fertile. This is the second quality. So this point wise you have to write. It can contain humidity for a long time. See, so here our keyword is Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, this Gujarat, Karnataka, and here sticky and fertile and humidity for a long time. So this way you can underline keywords and use pencil while you underline these keywords. Okay, you just note down this, and this way you have to write. Still we have that it is known as Regur soil and this is known as black soil. This is useful for cotton cultivation. Another point is that's why it has become famous as a black cotton soil. And it is also known as Regur soil. So here our keyword is cotton cultivation as a black cotton soil and here as a Regur soil. So this way students you have to write answer in SS subject. First keywords, identify the keywords, after that go for main points, that is soil, after that go for sub points, underline keywords, and most importantly presentation. you have to use pencil for underline, so that will make your answer attractive. So in this video I just have taught you how to write question answer for 3 and 4 marks, and the same pattern is for 2 marks too. So 2, 3 and 4 marks answers how to write, that you know now. Okay, still we have another 4 types that will be discussed in next video. Now it's time to give you homework, and in your homework you have to follow this pattern as I taught you. Okay, so in your homework, okay, just write about red soil and laterite soil or remaining 4 soils. Write about red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil and desert soil. But you have to apply this pattern which I have just given in this video. So apply this pattern in this homework. Red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil, desert soil. Means write all the information, underline that keyword and try to make your answer attractive as well as impressive by underlining keywords and focus on presentation. So this is for today's video. We'll meet again in next video with another revision topic. Okay, till then take care, bye.